Hi, in this video I will show you how we can remove white background photo less than 2 minutes. Even here I will show you how we can save this file properly for different purposes. I hope you are ready. So without wasting time, let's get started. Hi, as you can see, I have given an example picture with white background or JPG file. Now make sure the file is unlocked by pressing double click. Then go to the toolbar left side of the screen and select Magic Tool. After that, you select the white area of the image. Once all white area selected, then press delete key to delete the white background by using command Ctrl plus X button. Then you command for deselect by using Ctrl D. You see, now you are ready to save this file with white background as a PNG file. So click on File option, then select Save for Web, and again you select Preset button and click PNG file, that is called PNG24. After that, you put your file name to save this file. And that's it. Hi guys, I hope you like this video. If it is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And see you next video.